Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So Coursera versus DataCamp 2025, which is best? So I've broken this one into sections starting from the overview, the features and differences, pricing breakdown, best for whom, and basically my honest verdict. So let's start with the overview. So what is Coursera? So Coursera is a huge online learning platform, offers courses in all subjects, tech, business, health, humanities, etc. Partners with top universities like Stanford, Yale, Google, IBM. Includes free courses, professional certificates and degrees. Perfect if you want academic level courses and professional certificates. We're exploring diverse fields, not just data. So if that's you, go for Coursera. Now DataCamp. DataCamp focuses 100% on data skills. Courses in Python, R, SQL, machine learning, data engineering, etc. Learn by coding directly in your browser. Offers skill tracks, career tracks, projects, and assessments. Now this is perfect if you're only interested in data-related skills. You want a hands-on practical coding experience. Go for DataCamp. Now here's are the features. For Coursera, you're gonna have all of the subjects topics. DataCamp, only data-related topics. University partners, yes for Coursera, and of course, for DataCamp, you don't have university partners. For degrees, yes, you're gonna have for Coursera, no for DataCamp. And so on and so forth. For free courses, you're gonna have free, of course, for Coursera. However, for DataCamp, you're gonna have a very limited access for free courses. Now for the pricing, Coursera gives you audit courses for free. However, those do not have any certificate. For certificates, you're gonna have to pay around $50 to $100. Now professional certificates cost a lot more, starting from $40 to $80 per month. There's also a paid subscription plan called Coursera Plus. Now that's unlimited learning, going from $400 a year. Degrees separate tuition fees can be thousands. Now for DataCamp, it has a free plan, yes, but it has a very limited access. You can only get the first chapter of each courses. Premium monthly, that will be $25 per month, and for premium annual, that will be $150 around $300 a year. And business plans available for DataCamp. Now, ease of use, of course, Coursera, more academic vibe, is just like you're in a classroom. For DataCamp, very interactive, code right in your browser. Now, this is gonna be the interesting part. So choose Coursera if you want the university branded certificates, and choose DataCamp if you only want data coding skills you love practicing by doing. And basically, my honest verdict, if you only care about data, DataCamp is honestly the better choice. It's cheaper, more interactive, and focused. But if you want to recognize credentials on a broader topics, Coursera wins hands down, especially if you're aiming for big name certificates on your resume. And that's it.